Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel. Do you want to make 30 to 50k per month in social media marketing? This is the video that is gonna guide you exactly how can you do this. Hey guys, it's Saroosh. Now in this video I am gonna tell you the exact process how can you earn 30 to 50k per month in the field of social media marketing. Let's go. Dear friends, there are three types of services that you can majorly offer in social media marketing. Number one is management. Number second service is strategy. And the number third service is consulting. Ideally, these three should be discouraged. Now, as a social media manager, you do monthly management. If you want to get started with social media marketing, this is where you need to start. You need to know how to manage Instagram accounts, Facebook account, Twitter account, Pinterest account, basically anything and everything on social media. You can make money on a month-to-month basis, but without knowing how to manage accounts, you cannot make a strategy for them. And also, you cannot consult anything to people how they can grow their social media. Okay, so it will really start from management. Every time if you are starting from the scratch, you don't know even basics, you cannot become a consultant or a strategist without first-hand experience telling people the things to manage their account. Okay, now my tip to you would be to start with Pakistani client first because it's easier, but eventually try to very consciously move to international clients because that is where you make the most amount of money. Now if you want to know everything about social media right from the basics to the advanced, how to get started social media marketing, how to earn from it, do not worry. I am here to guide you properly what is social media marketing and how can you earn from it from the basics to the advanced level. Stay tuned and learn to enlighten. Alright friends, in the first place you will need to know management. Get an understanding of how to manage social media accounts is really important. Once you understand how to manage, you will also understand how algorithms work. Because social media is all based on algorithms. Facebook have different algorithm, YouTube have different, and Instagram also do have different algorithms, and you might be able to help your client with making a strategy for their platform. Alright friends, in the first place, if you know how to manage the account, if you get an understanding about managing social media and social media accounts, then it is very easy to understand for you how algorithms work, because YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, both of these have the different algorithms, so they work differently. Now when you are a social media manager, if you know how to handle the social media accounts, you can also make a strategy and manage their accounts as well. So most of the clients require that you will manage as well as put strategy in their accounts as well, so this will go hand in hand, so you can raise your income there. Alright, this will require you to put your brain into the work. Usually in freelancing, the more your brain gets involved in the work, the more you do the strategic work, the higher paychecks you get. So you want to get there slowly, but you cannot become a strategist without knowing how to manage social media. Once you have enough experience of making social media strategies or managing other people's social media, also guys, you will see some other ideas rather than my voiceover on my slides, that what does a social media manager responsibilities, what are the skills, how much they earn per month in Pakistan, and if you consider a degree, what would it be, and if you needs to do an internship or etc., you can read them slides very easily on a one place and you can get it. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more amazing tips, because I will be revealing short videos very soon about how to make money online in 2000s, so you can follow me there for amazing tips. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.